Hey, Growmind family! Welcome back to the channel where we break down health and wellness tips to help you live your best life. Today, we're talking about a tropical fruit that's not just tasty but might also boost your testosterone. Let's get into it. Pineapple is rich in vitamins and minerals, but what you might not know is that it can play a role in supporting healthy testosterone levels. Let's explore how. Pineapple is packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. Lower oxidative stress means less damage to cells, including those involved in testosterone production. One of the key enzymes found in pineapple is bromelain. Research suggests that bromelain can help boost testosterone levels by reducing inflammation and supporting protein digestion, which are essential for muscle growth and hormone production. Consuming pineapple can also boost your energy levels and libido. The fruit's natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, while its nutrients support overall sexual health. Pineapple contains a small amount of zinc, a mineral that's crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. While it's not as high in zinc as some other foods, every bit helps in balancing your hormones. The bromelain in pineapple not only helps with protein digestion but also improves nutrient absorption. Better digestion means your body can more effectively use the nutrients that support testosterone production. Feeling good is key to maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Pineapple contains serotonin-boosting compounds that can improve your mood, indirectly supporting hormone balance. Who knew this delicious fruit could have such a positive impact on your testosterone levels? If you're looking to give your hormones a natural boost, adding pineapple to your diet might be a sweet way to start. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. What's your favorite way to enjoy pineapple? Let me know in the comments below. Stay healthy and keep growing.